Maayong buntag. Cute, ganda. Nagtatakbuhan si Chico at saka si Kulit-Kulot dahil pinag-aagawan yung tablet, pinapakuha ko. Si Chico pa naman ang bilis maglakad. Ang bilis tumakbo. Sana all mabilis maglakad. Mana sa nanay. Anyway, ngayon ay Webes at alas 11 ng umaga. Plano ko sanang lumabas kaso ngayon lang pala available yung aking manicurista at pedicurista. So, eto na lang yung oras. Mamaya na lang tayo lalabas. Dahil ang aking kuko guys ay, ayan, tumubo na ng bongga. Papaputulan ko na lang para naman maayos. Sayang din yung polygel. 'Di ba? So, samahan niyo ako ngayong araw once again sa ating mga ka-ek-ekan, ka-chismisan, ka-maritesan sa buhay ko bilang Pinay dito sa Uganda na malapit nang magtapos. Ayan, samahan niyo ako sa episode na to. Huwag niyo akong iwan and I'll see you guys on the rest of this episode.
Don't. You.
Don't make mommy cry, you say. Go remove your shorts na.
Mom, nicer. You can. And they are pink. Are you ready? There's no
Carrot tastes like what?
French fries. This one tastes like.
Like what?
A French fry.
But your face doesn't look happy. You okay? Remember, they like kids who smile.
The vegetables look like they are sour.
They're not sour. I ate all of my food, you see? And they are very okay. Very nice. You have to learn how to eat them. They're good for you. Can give you six-pack and muscle and can grow your hair. Right, Chico? You like vegetables?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But
Can you show a nice smile like this?
I didn't
Wow.
finish my other egg and my rice.
Okay. Yeah. I saw it. But you finished that vegetable first because remember, we need to be healthy to go in the airplane. What did they say? We need to be what?
Healthy in the airplane.
Exactly. Because we are going to fly very far to Lola. Very, very long. Wow, look at Chico. Whoa, big. Oh, do. Someone can eat. Smile.
And this looks like. Yeah. And this looks like ketchup.
You eat na. Chico is almost finished, you see?
Ketchup.
Ketchup. You like ketchup too?
Yeah.
Yeah? Papa Pookie.
It's a big day. Say.
My name is Princess Yiga.
This is Liga.
Don't say ha ha ha.
It's if I swallow vegetables. I swallow. Super Mario!
Yahoo! And you, what's your name?
Name Liga.
Good. You are Chico Yiga.
Liga.
Chico.
There?
Ko.
Huh?
Chico.
Go.
Chico.
The side legs. Mommy, I'm going to eat this and it's going to be so sour. Happy. Sour.
Not sour. Finish up.
The apple is sour. The round one, no.
Sirang-sira ang mukha. Siya ang mahirap pakainin sa kanila magkakapatid. Pero we are trying. Right, Chico? Finish up na and then we will sleep. What are you going to tell Lola when you see her?
I want to have a car toy, Papa toy. And I want to have a Papa Trojan Picasso was like and a small things so I cannot be in the deep end to play. And they need stairs and a small slide and stair and other stairs when you go back up more. Then one more thing left I need is the other things when you stick on it, like balls, they are circles.
And Chico, what are you going to tell Lola?
Lola.
You will tell her what?
Lola.
You kiss Lola like this. And then you smile. Then you say, hi Lola. I am Chico Yiga. Are you gonna tell Lola you're Chico Yiga?
He's going to say Yiga.
Chico, I love your hair. They're growing.
How about mine?
Yours, of course, I love very much.
But mine don't like it to be big.
You don't want, so I will go and cut. We go and cut?
Yeah.
Ah.
When it's big, you cut.
Okay. What's that in your hair? Let me see those. What do you have? Dog and Elmo?
Dog.
Mga pensionado kayo. Tignan nyo guys, dakilang role ng mga nanay, taga-ubos. So, ito ang kay Chico, ito ang kay Kulit-Kulot. Mas marami nakain si Chico. Kaya bumibilog ang kanyang pagbumukha. Yes? Hi, let me see.
Take Marshall to play in the basketball.
No.
Please, but I want him to swim in the swimming pool in here.
No, we're time to sleep.
Please.
Take a nap na.
But I want to.
Remember, the nap makes you taller to 25. Both of you don't complain, Chico.
Dora.
You need to be taller, okay?
I want to have two dogs. That one.
Chico, let me see you. Let me see. Okay, not tall yet.
I want that dog.
You go to the bed, go.
Eternity later.
Yung buntag, everyone, actually udto na di ay dito sa Uganda at obviously sa wakas naalala ko na kailangan din pala nating maligo paminsan-minsan. Wala kasi kami masyadong lakad ngayong mga week na to kaya nasa bahay lang kami. At ang mga bata right now ay just having fun free time. Kulit-Kulot is watching this Paw Patrol and Chico ay natutulog. Ayun. So, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo sa episode na to na natuwa ako sa mga comment ninyo sa recent natin na episode kung saan in-announce na namin na talagang kami ay babalik sa Pilipinas at isasama natin si Auntie Christine. Ayun, alam ko marami sa inyo yung mga natutuwa, marami sa inyo yung talagang sobrang excited at dahil dyan, mas lalo pa kaming na-excite sa mga sumusunod nating kwento-kwento. So, bakit nga ba yung side ni Auntie Christine, tatanungin natin siya next time kapag na-tsempuhan ko na hindi siya masyadong busy. Ayun. Kailangan natin isama si Auntie dahil she deserves it. That's one. Ang tagal niya nang nagtatrabaho sa akin, sa amin. Mag-4 na taon na nga in fairness. At sa lahat naman ng mga biyahe namin, both local at international, nakita nyo naman na lagi namin siyang kasama. So when it comes to local, napuntahan niya yung mga lugar dito sa bansa nila na hindi niya pa napuntahan. Dahil hindi naman madali dito mag-local travel, magastos, lalo na kung wala kang sasakyan, mahirap. Dahil malalayo yung mga tourist spots. When it comes to international naman, nakaabot na siya ng Tanzania, lalong-lalo na sa Zanzibar, ayun, at saka Rwanda, recently, Kigali, Rwanda, ayun. So ngayong taon na to, eto naman, tayo ay tatawid from African continent to Asian continent! So, masaya ako guys. Actually, pinag-ipunan ko talaga etong moment na to. Nung una, medyo kinakabahan ako kasi hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ba ng pera ko o ng bulsa ko ang gastusan. Hindi lamang sa pamasahe, kundi pati na rin sa pagbabayad ng mga kailangan kong bayaran para makompleto yung mga dokumento. So, sa pamasahe, ang isang tao ay umaabot ng, kapag one way lang from Africa to Asia, umaabot ng $800. That is one way. Pero kapag balikan, nasa $1,300. At syempre dahil si auntie ay tourist visa, kailangang balikan ang kanyang ticket. So talagang pinag-ipunan ko yung 1,300, which is masaya ako at naabot ko, of course, with prayers and hard work. At syempre sa suporta ninyo, panonood ninyo at hindi pag-skip ng ads, malaking tulong po yan. Maraming salamat. Ayun. So, yung story kung paano kami nakapag-decide. Kasi hindi ko talaga naisip na kaya kong isama si auntie dahil nga sa lahat ng iniisip ko, mga bata, ang bahay sa Jensen, ang mga gastusin. Pero things happen for a reason, and of course, if God knows the sincerity of your heart and your intention is pure, He will guide you through every decision that you're going to make. Once again, masaya tayong lahat. We are excited to meet you guys there in the Philippines. Excited kami na makapag-travel sa Pilipinas, makapag-road trip. Yan yung prayers ko for me and the rest of the family. Ayun. Sobrang excited kong makita ulit yung pamilya ko na good vibes kahit na ang dami nating pinagdadaanan sa buhay. Though mayroon akong napansin na maraming mga nag-comment doon kung anong mangyayari kay Joseph. Si Joseph po ay bata pa, 23 years old, as we told you on the last recent episodes natin with him. So he has a lot of things. Tatanungin natin siya next time kung ano yung plano niya pagkatapos naming makaalis ng Uganda. Unfortunately, hindi ko po maisama si Joseph dahil ang bahay namin sa Jensen, number 1 ay enough lang. Number 2, like I said, kailangan talagang pag-ipunan, hindi basta-basta dahil may kamahalan din talaga yung flights. At the same time, pagdating doon, dapat marunong ka kung ano yung susunod mong gagawin. Kapag babalik sa Uganda or magsistay doon, dapat talagang organize, hindi basta-basta. So, hindi tayo basta-basta pwedeng magsama ng mga lokal, lalong-lalo na kapag hindi pa nila kaya financially. Si auntie kasi, at least for me, para ko na siyang kapatid, at siya ang rason kung bakit hindi pa ako nabubuang dito sa bansang to, guys. Hindi ako nabubuang sa lungkot, hindi ako nabubuang sa mga challenges, dahil andyan siya. Alam ko na safe kaming lahat sa bahay, safe ang mga bata kapag wala. Natin ang mga episode ay tatanungin natin sila sa magiging plano nila, hindi lamang kay Joseph, kundi pati na rin kay auntie. At the same time, tatanungin natin kung paano na pagdesisyonan na kung okay ba o hindi ba okay sa kanya na sumama, or decision ko lang ba yun, doon natin malalaman lahat. So sa ngayon, I want to give you guys an update as well tungkol kay Kuya Kahil. Maraming salamat po sa mga patuloy na nagmamahal sa aking Kuya Kahil. Of course, nami-miss namin siya, pero we are very happy at excited sa lahat ng mga updates niya araw-araw. Lagi po ako nakaka-receive everyday na walang mintas or mantis ng updates galing sa kanya. Nung isang araw, tumawag siya na nag-training daw sila ng soccer. So, tinuruan siya ng tatay niya. And nagtanong ako sa tatay niya kung kamusta ang kanyang skill, kung talaga bang nag-decline. So, sabi ng tatay, mabilis pa rin siya katulad ng before, pero hindi siya marunong gumamit ng mga training accessories or yung mga props sa soccer. Kasi nga guys, dito, 3 taon siya dito, nag-train sa Uganda, wala silang proper props at accessories for training or warm-up. Kung meron man, hindi nila ginagamit o hindi na-expose ang mga bata ng maayos. Katulad na lamang ng cones. Sobrang daming activities or warm-up activities na pwedeng gamitin yung cones. Meron ding bola. Sobrang daming bola. Of course, hindi nawawala yung mga merong mga parang mga bars na gawa sa tubo or tube na plastic na kailangan din nilang gamitin for warm up at training. So nakalimutan ni Kahil ang iba at medyo mahina siya doon kasi dapat din doon mabilisan at dapat talaga hindi ka agad-agad napapagod. So napansin ng tatay niya na doon siya medyo naging mahina. Of course, we are happy kasi ngayon natututukan ng kanyang tatay. Saturday, Sunday, meron siyang training with one of the best coaches we've known sa Thailand. So sobra kaming excited. Natatawa ako dahil sinabi ng tatay niya na sobrang lakas niya daw kumain, which is binigyan ko na siya ng warning dahil si Kuya Kahil talaga ay sobrang ganda ng appetite. Minsan nakakaubos siya ng 2 pinggang pagkain, and then he can even eat 3 times a day without fail at snacks in between. Minsan meron pang midnight snack yan. Ayun. So sobra ako excited, and looking back with Kuya Kahil's training, he started training informally at 2 years old kasama ang tatay niya, and by the time he reached 3 years old, na-enroll na namin siya sa isang weekend academy sa Thailand. Sunod-sunod na yung kanyang training from 3, 4, 5, 6 at 7 years old siya bago kami umalis ng Thailand. And after this nga, I'm going to play some few clips of Kuya Kahil training when he was young. I was a hands-on mom, of course, nung kasama ko siya dahil nagtuturo din ako sa Thailand that time. So every weekend talagang dinadala ko siya and I watch him train. So I know when the coach is doing his job or the coach is dilly-dallying and be on their phones. And every time it's like that, I really report to the dad. Kasi kapag hindi magaling yung coach, talagang nililipat namin siya. But we got lucky kasi one of his dad's friends nagko-coach ng soccer at sobrang galing niya. Sobrang disiplinado yung mga bata in the pitch. So nakakatulong yun ng bongga. For me, it's a very big help, hindi lamang when it comes to sports, kundi pati na rin sa disiplina. Ayan, I-enjoy nyo itong mga clips na sumusunod, at syempre kung meron kayong comment or nagustuhan nyo yung mga clips ni Kuya Kahil when he was young training soccer, comment down below what you think, you guys. And I'll...
นิ้วไปเลยเด็กข้ามคานเขาเป็นเด็กข้ามคานนิ้วเล่นหวานไม่มีใครที่บอกแล้วบอกว่าไม่ต้องให้เข้าไม่มีใคร
Hi Dad.
Hi Daddy, I love you.
Have fun, okay?
Okay.
I'll go to see Konya
Yes.
and come back to pick you up.
Yes, Mama.
Or you want to go with me?
I don't want to go with you. I'll stay.
Thả bóng bayข้างหน้าดิ thả bóng ไปข้างหน้าดิ ข้างหน้า ข้างหน้า ไปข้างหน้า คิดไปข้างหน้า ไปให้ย้อนหลังมาบอลมันก็โดนลุกดีว่าไปKahil mo! Kahil mo! Touch ball. Good control it. Touch. Keep the ball on the line. เร็วให้โดนบอลต้องอยู่ข้างหน้าครับ